put the spotlight then on Edtech unicorn Unacademy. They have recently elevated Sumit Jain, who leads the company's Graphy division, to a partner, which they've described is like a co-founder who's joined at a later stage. Let's connect with Sumit Jain himself. He's a partner of Unacademy. Thanks so much for taking time out. So I believe that comments were made from Gaurav Munjal that being a partner at Unacademy is like a co-founder who's joined at a later stage. What exactly does that mean?
So, see, I have been with Unacademy Group for over 3 years now, and I came in to build and launch Graphy, a platform for knowledge creators to help them launch their online academy. Since our launch, we have helped over 100,000 creators monetize their content and audience. With my elevation as a partner at the group level, I will continue driving Graphy, which is growing very well and has great unit economics. I will also be working on few strategic initiatives at the group level to prepare for an IPO soon.
So given that, your involvement in the company was in the Graphy division, that was in April of 2020. Tell us a little bit more about the monthly gross merchandise value of Graphy and how it's grown.
Yeah, that is true. See, at Graphy, we have helped over 100,000 creators. Over 11 million learners have used courses created by creators using Graphy to learn new topics, enhance their skills. And we have always focused on building the best product, and we are the best product in the market. And as you said, more than 25 crore rupees is what the creators are making through Graphy, using Graphy as a platform to sell courses, membership, webinars, stuff like that. And we also made few strategic acquisitions over the past few years, and that has helped Graphy build a truly holistic platform for the creators. We always focus on providing the best experience to the creators, because we believe that helping knowledge creators launch and scale their online academy is very, very powerful. And it actually helps not just the creators, but also the learners.
Graphy had also announced the acquisition of community building platforms Scenes and the Edtech platform Spay for about $25 million in 2021. Can you tell us how that's worked out? Are you looking at any more acquisitions?
Yeah, these acquisitions have worked out very well. And both these acquisitions were a strategic move aimed at strengthening Graphy's leadership position in the creator economy. We acquired Spay around a few years back, and Scenes around a few months back. And with the idea of Scenes was that Scenes has built a great, robust community platform for creators. And this aligned with our vision of helping creators and educators build and scale their online knowledge business. Yeah, these two products have got integrated very well into the Graphy ecosystem.
Now, it certainly has been a very testing time for the Indian edtech space. The ecosystem has really battled slowing growth. There have been layoffs. There have been pandemic-led tailwinds, the funding winter, global macroeconomic concerns, what have you. In light of that, what has been your view of how Unacademy has managed to stand the course?
In the past year, we have taken multiple initiatives to drive more efficient growth. The Unacademy Group was cash flow positive in June this year at a monthly top line of 130 crores. The core business is growing frugally, and we still have more than 2,000 crores in the bank. And we are very, very focused on growing profitably, and all teams are working in this direction. At the same time, we are launching new initiatives to ensure that Unacademy just does not grow profitably and sustainably, but also grow massively. My view on edtech sector generally is I'm very, very bullish about education as a sector. And I believe that technology can help us deliver education efficiently, driving better outcomes. Education and technology are at the core of any economy, and especially a developing one like India. It truly helps anyone achieve their true potential, irrespective of any barriers. And this is the true purpose of building an academy. It is not something that will go out of fashion. It is not something that will go out of trend. It is what will take society ahead. And I see immense growth and adoption in the times to come for edtech sector generally. And I'm very bullish about Unacademy growing sustainably and education sector generally in India.
So But one can't deny the fact that, we have seen a lot of big players, yours included, Byju's, Vedantu. Of course, the story is very different for Byju's, but there have been massive layoffs that have been undertaken because the cash burn has been pretty strong. What are the plans in place to reduce costs? Are there any more layoffs on the anvil?
See, I would not comment on any speculation like that, but I can just say that we stay committed towards growing profitably and sustainably. We have been focusing on driving more efficient growth, and that is something which is very, very important at an academy. We believe that you can only create true impact if you stay in the game, right? And we are committed towards delivering the best quality education to every learner in the country, delivering the best outcome. And that is something which keeps us excited and which makes us wake up every day in the morning. And this is something which is the only thing in our mind, to deliver the best quality education, driving the best outcomes.
So what exactly is the current cash burn then? What kind of revenues have you clocked in the year gone by? And I understand that you're looking to be cash flow positive this year?
Yeah, I talked about it, that we turned cash flow positive in June this year at a monthly top line of 130 crores. And we have more than 2,000 crore in the bank. And we continue to grow profitably and frugally at a group level. At the same time, we are also making some strategic bets which will turn out in the long term. And in the short term, they will be a lot of 0 to 1 projects. But in the long term, that will add significant growth at the group level.
Just clear the air with us, given that there was so much news about the fact that Unacademy is in talks for that potential merger with Byju's owned Akash. Can you clear the air?
I'm not in the position to comment on any speculation like this.
Now, last year as well, you had made the foray into the offline segment. You had launched the institute in Kota, which was the India's coaching hub. Tell us a little bit more about your offline presence.
See, at Unacademy, learners are at the center of what we do, right? We are committed to providing the highest quality of education and delivering the best outcomes, irrespective of the mode of delivery of education. And we'll continue expanding into more areas of education that will help every student or learner preparing for any exam in the country to crack it. And we launched our first center in June last year, as you said. And today, Unacademy has over 60 centers across 40 plus cities in India. And while the online business continues to grow, the offline presence of Unacademy is also massive. Within last 1 year, we have been able to achieve massive results, and we are very excited to deliver the best quality education, delivering the best outcome to the student, every student in the country, irrespective of the mode, offline or online.
So what's the long-term growth plan then? Can you walk us through those details?
We continue to focus on providing the best education, delivering the best education to the learner, delivering best outcome. For that, we will continue focusing on building the product, improving the quality of education and the mode of delivery of this education. Plus, we are also launching a few strategic initiatives at the group level. And the other companies at the group level, like Graphy, is also doing very good. So we continue to invest on every area possible for us to grow. As I said, that we are planning for IPO soon, and the focus is to grow profitably, and take some long-term bets, which will help us kind of leapfrog the growth whole thing in the next few years.
And I believe there are listing plans. So what's the IPO timeline?
Hard to comment on it right now, but we are definitely looking 12 to 18 months. That's a target.
All right, Sumit, before I let you go, we want to get to know our founders, our co-founders of Unicorns a lot better. So we've got a rapid, sort of quick fire round lined up for you. So start off by telling us, do you have any advice for the next gen?
Don't get distracted. Focus is the key.
Well, that's interesting. In any recent book that you've read that you'd like to, share with our viewers that you believe should be read?
A lot of those about the book. See, book is like a medicine, you're asking a doctor to tell us the best medicine. See, medicine is for the pain, right? So every book has a core purpose, and I generally would not recommend books or podcasts generally, because that is very personal, what will appeal to somebody or not.
Okay, and finally, what according to you is going to be the next big breakthrough in technology?
See, AI is something which everybody's talking about, and we strongly believe that AI will disrupt the education, the way education is going to be delivered or consumed. And we believe that that will change a lot of things in the near future.
Good to have you on board. Thanks so much, Sumit, for taking time out and joining us.